The time taken by two consecutive compressions or rarefactions to cross a fixed point is called the time period of the wave. It is represented by the symbol T. Its SI unit is second. Frequency and time period are related as nu is equal to 1 upon T. The strength or power of a wave signal is called its amplitude, or the height of the wave when viewed as a graph is the amplitude. The loudness or softness of a sound is determined basically by its amplitude. The amplitude of the sound wave depends upon the force with which an object is made to vibrate. Speed. The speed of sound is defined as the distance with which a point on a wave, such as a compression or a rarefaction, travels per unit time. We know that speed, u is equal to distance upon time, which is equal to lambda upon t. Here, lambda is the wavelength of the sound wave. It is the distance travelled by the sound wave in one time period of the wave. Thus, u is equal to lambda into nu. That is, speed is equal to wavelength into frequency.